In today's video, we will guide you through on how to add arrow in Adobe Acrobat. So without any further ado, let's dive right in. Let's choose a PDF we're working on. Okay, let's select this one. So before moving on, I would like to inform you a little disclaimer that for some reason, I don't know why, there is usually in order to add an arrow, you have to go to your toolbar. Usually there is a toolbar at your Adobe Acrobat. You can find it very easily. But for some reason, you cannot see this in this video while I'm screen recording. So just assume there's a toolbar, but in your case, you can easily find your toolbar. Don't worry about that. So sadly, in this video, you cannot see it, but I'll just make sure that you follow along. I'll just say it and you can just follow along with that, and you'll be able to add an arrow. So usually first step is go to your toolbar and you find at the very first you can see an arrowhead. Don't get confused. That is not how you add an arrowhead. It's just to select text or something like that. So at the very, you have to go at the bottom, not very bottom. Okay, I'll say you have to go to the option that says draw freehand. Okay, there's an option, I'm repeating again, that says draw freehand. You have to go to that option and click on it, and there you will be provided with lots of options like adding line, rectangle, and there you can find that option of arrow. All you have to do is simply tap in there, and I'll now go back to your PDF and you can simply drag it down, and here you go. This is how you add arrow. Another thing is that if you want to edit this arrow, you want to make it into different color or even adjust the thickness, you can simply go to the very bottom of the toolbar and you can see the option that is choose a color for arrow. Simply tap in there. You'll be provided with various type of color. Okay, for example, I'm choosing yellow, and you can also adjust your thickness, which is right below the color option. And okay, I'm gonna make it a little thin this time. There's usually a slider, you can adjust it according to your preference. Let's add another. So basically this is how you add arrow in Adobe Acrobat. I hope this video was helpful. If so, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.